Here we are walking down the hill here. Just seeing the charity Rover 75 there. Having a fag there. It's a lovely example of a 214 as well. Now is that MG Midget, I think that is. Yeah, it is a Midget. Not to be confused with MGB Roadster. Morris Minor. We have a Maestro, MG Maestro there. Good turnout here at Longbridge. Another early 200 there, the Mark II. There's the Rover 25. More Rover 75s. We've got something else rare there as well. Over here, a lovely Wolseley. Slowly working my way down. Wolseley 6 here. Is this the A30?
I don't know. What is it, a 330?
A30.
A35.
A35.
Austin A35.
A35.
England on the back. Yeah, there's what you're taking a picture.
Yeah, I know that.
That one.
But it's the, I was wondering if it was the A30 or 35.
No, the big window's the 35.
Yeah.
The small window's the 30.
Thanks for the confirmation. And here comes the Rover P5 here. Coming down here. P5 then, might be the P5B. Lovely Rover there. Working on down here. Cars here. It's lovely condition anyway. Now, 75 V6 here. Probably come back anyway, so won't miss anything. A few more collectors. They're all collectible really, but there are a few more vintage and classic here. They've got the Rover 75 and the Rover 800 Coupe here. Saw a French one of those last year. Rover 200. Yep, sorry, 400. Is it 200? That's the 400, isn't it? 400 that is.
Yeah, it's a 420.
Yeah, oh, that's good. Yeah. 420 there. And we got one here for sale. Mini here. Alright. Now it's ZF. A few others here. Got the MGs as well. Now that's that Rover P5. Ah, now he's parked up there. Got an Austin 1100. Is that? Good heavens! Complete with a sunroof. That was a Porsche. There we are. Total luxury there. The Austin there. Now is it the left? Tactile December 65. Is it the 1300? 1100. Yeah, very posh. Yeah, I like those. Yeah, lovely cars. Yeah, parking up here. The impromptu Longbridge Rally here. Oh yeah.